Hey, it's Melina, and welcome to my first ever video. Today, we'll be sailing and exploring the beautiful Exuma Islands. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the good times.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by.
Where are we going today?
Where are we going? To the airport.
What's the final destination?
Nassau. First time out of the country in a really, really long time. Board boat Friday night. Go down there today, Thursday, and do our briefing on Saturday morning, and then we're gone for about 11 days out on a Bali 40-foot catamaran. Anyway, off to the airport, Miami to Nassau.
I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on. Put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. I could take you back to my youth. Show you what I wish I knew.
We've just landed in Nassau, and we're going to the Airbnb to drop off our luggage. We're gonna head to the grocery store, get some provisions, and get some lunch.
Pairing with the light it holds.
Yeah, so the way you gotta eat lunch in COVID times right now. On a curb in a parking lot. Fun.
We've just arrived at Palm Cay Marina. We're gonna make some dinner and go to bed ready to sail out the next day.
I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on. Put me together, take me back.
Good morning, Creek Grosso. How are you feeling this morning?
Good. Excited to get out of here. Get out onto the ocean. Ready for the first time.
What's the agenda for today?
Go across this. We got a motor all the way across because the wind is blowing right in our face. Go across. Where are we going? Somewhere?
Over
Exumas.
to the Exumas.
Yeah, over to the Exumas. It's nice. Oh. We're turning. We're going. Panic me. I know. I got it clear. Creek just corrected me, which is good. No, you're fine. Yeah, you're right. You didn't go straight. Yeah, no.
Nassau to Norman's Cay is about 33.6 nautical miles. It took us about 6 hours to get across. We just arrived in Norman's Cay and put the anchor out. While on Norman's Cay, we hiked up to an abandoned house. Carlos Leader was a smuggler who in 1978 began moving Medellin cartel cocaine from Norman's Cay to airstrips in Florida and South Georgia. We all wondered if this abandoned house was part of his operation. Tonight we are just enjoying our last night at Norman's Key, excited to sail down to Shroud Key tomorrow.
Darn it. Hate seeing the plastic. Ooh-wee. Might think we were in the Amazon jungle here, huh? The mangroves on Shroud Key. Oh, and the wind's quitting. Gorgeous in here. Got about an hour dinghy ride back. Maybe not quite an hour, half hour. Our little dinghy, those long ways. Sun's about ready to go down. Try and get back for a sundowner. Beautiful though. What do you think of the dinghy grove?
Mangrove dinghy ride?
Dinghy mangrove. Big beep ride.
Finally got to see my first sea turtle. And black-tip shark.
A little shark in here.
Stingrays.
One crab.
Crabs.
Little fishes right there. Now we're going out. Oh, good Monday morning. Be nice to wake up to this every Monday morning. My goodness. The girls are down there around the rocks on the sup boards. We're just in Shroud Key, little anchorage, go up the mangroves. Back of the boat, creek's in chowing. With potatoes and eggs, just like elk camp. Another catamaran over there, another one beyond them. Yeah, that's our anchorage. Still at Shroud Key today. We thought the tide's way out, so we thought we'd come in. The girls are walking in. Creek's back there. Fell off the paddleboard. Trying to figure it out. But yeah, this little sandbar. We're going to big sandbars today. Back up in there, you can see that's one of the little canals you can go up and go way back up in there. There's tons of turtles, but yeah, this thing just kind of exposed itself here. This little sandbar. Cool.
We started to make our way down to Staniel Key, but when we started to get closer, the night was upon us, so we stopped in to Compass Key, where in the morning we were greeted by this nurse shark.
When we first got to Staniel Key, we went over to the dock to fill up on our gas. After we were all filled up, we went to anchor a little bit further out in front of Staniel Key Marina.
Alright, we're all sitting down here at Staniel Key Yacht Club, getting ready for our COVID test. I think it happened right over inside that tent for sanitizer. But yeah, here in a couple minutes we will get our 5-day test. So the deal coming down to the Bahamas right now is you gotta have one 5 days prior to coming, and then once you land here you gotta have one 5 days thereafter too. So we've sailed from Palm Cay Marina clear down to Staniel Key, I guess, Staniel Key Yacht Club here. Just had an awesome lunch. The French fries were like just massive, and the onion rings. We had conch fritters. It's kind of over the top, kind of an overload, oil overload. But yeah, we're gonna get our nose swabbed here in a few, and then we're gonna go to Pig Beach this evening, check the pigs out, stay the night, and then onward from there. Creek and the girls, we're heading back. We went and found some rum and some local beer. Walked quite a ways and found us some goodies, some ranch dressing. We're out of ranch.
Chips.
Oh, some potato chips. Yeah, we had to come to the center of the Caribbean to buy some Tostitos. Pretty bad. We got them. All right, I think we're just around the corner, and we'll get some ice and go to the dinghy and go to Pig Beach.
It's funny. A bag of Tostitos in the U.S. is probably like what, $4 or $5 for a big one.
How much were they here?
I don't know, probably like 10 or 12, I would think.
Yeah, I don't know.
Something like that.
It was
what,
63 bucks.
For $60 for a 24 pack?
We can go that other way. Yeah, we just got to get ice. We're like 63 bucks for a bottle of rum, a 6-pack, some ranch dressing, and Tostitos.
You can get out of a 7-Eleven at like $18 in the U.S. for all that stuff.
It's probably like a $5 bottle of rum.
Exactly.
Us gringos thinks it's good.
Before we headed back to the boat, we stopped to look at all the nurse sharks. Their skin kind of feels like sandpaper. It's pretty cool.
Pig Beach down by Staniel Key. It's the pig whisperer, right? Pumbaa, the pig. Now everybody talks about the pigs biting you. I come up here and this one lays down. He's the bore of the bunch. He lays down and wants to be tickled by me and rubbed and scratched. So he's getting his massage on Pig Beach and down in the Bahamas. Crazy.
Wow.
Wow. Just coming into O'Brien's Cay. Huge sandbar out there. All that white's a huge, huge sandbar. It's phenomenal. We're swinging around and gonna go up there and anchor back up in a cove back there. This is where the sea aquarium's at. We're gonna go check it out.
We caught a mooring ball next to O'Brien's Key. Rumor has it this is right next to Johnny Depp's island.
We got a bunch of conch shells up here. There's this one got the spikies on it. There's that one that are literally everywhere. Can't really see them. There's a little lizard in there. He's way tucked back in there. He kind of looks like a frog. Today, we sailed back up to Wadrick Wells to anchor in the Landon Sea Park. We are on the Landon Sea Park beach, and there's a bunch of shells back there. And there's some shells over here somewhere. There they are. And it's down the beach. Then there's some cracks and stuff over there. This beautiful whale had washed ashore filled with plastic. This is why they have such strict laws in the Landon Sea Park to keep it so beautiful and safe for the animals. Checked in at the office and headed up to Boo Boo Hill to try and get some service to fill out our COVID form.
I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honestly don't. I should be the last to know. We're all in this. I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honestly don't. I should be the last to know. Hello, Mona. I mistook you for a dream. The engine drove.
What do you think so far?
This is cool.
It's kind of fun.
Yeah.
Going up to Boo Boo Hill, I think. Oh, there's the car. Can't quite see it. It's up there. However you say that thing.
Pirates. Maybe some pirates, huh?
Yeah, that's us drinking rum. Way cool. After coming up through the little palms here. Beautiful hike, all sandy trail. Peeking out the top. Boo Boo Hill. So we can either go to the blowholes or we can go up to Boo Boo Hill. Oh yeah. There's the Exumas Sound. Blowholes are up there. And cruise up there. Up the hill we still go. Up there to the top. You can see the plaques up there. Very cool.
You get 1 bar.
Looks like we got some cell service on top of Boo Boo. Have no paint. Oh well. Our next trip, we'll bring some paint. SV last call. Ours is going to be SV escape plan. How do we escape the rat race? Huh? That's cool. Tool. Last call. Welcome to no place. I'll take that. I like somebody left the ore. It's cool. Oh, there's even a plant up here, a little succulent. No. Down through the jungle. Like being on like Survivor Island or something.
Caribbean or was it mostly South Pacific?
Mostly South Pacific.
You can't eat the reef there, too.
No. Whereas down there you could. There's a little birdie. What is he?
No, we saw different ones. The one we saw was black.
He's like totally checking us out too.
Oh, is it yellow?
Yeah.
Hey buddy. I don't have anything for you. You're gonna have to fend for yourself. Sorry. We'd be breaking the law. Down through the jungle. It's pretty in here.
It is.
Maybe tonight we'll take our rum, go to the pirate's lair. Just down a little ways.
Might be spending the night at the pirate's lair. He had too much rum.
Having so much rum's in my blue bottle. Enough. Oh, got more jungle to go through. All these palms.
This afternoon, we decided to go explore the gardens at Magic Wells.
open sea. Magic, metapelagic, bacteriophysical, all the rest are too deep for you and me to see.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight.
Day for sale. We are heading to Highborn Key, 6 knots, on a beam reach, broad reach, however you want to say it. Yeah, it's just beautiful. We got the wind to our back, following seas.
We don't need no more. Even in the hard time, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through and through.
Hello. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
The future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard time, you and I can weather any storm.
Just to take you up to the plan.
Where'd he go?
I think he's around the corner.
He's out here chilling out. What do you think? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear you. Happy birthday to you.
It's Lou.
Happy birthday, Lou. Lulu. Lou. Hello, Lou. Oh.
In the morning, we went on a walk around the island. It was so beautiful.
Ask you, don't hold back on me. Only better if you set it free. In a new light, we can see everything clear. Are we really happy here? There's a shadow rising on the wall. Through a bottle, I can stand up tall.
As long as you don't shit everywhere. If you poo-poo everywhere, then we're not gonna have you. Yeah. You need to go out the front window. What do you think? You hungry, little buddy? That's all you were looking for, some scraps. You know to come in these boats and get some scraps, huh?
headed back to Nassau and then on our way home to Dallas.
about the way of life. To ever see the glory of your
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like, turn on the ring bell so you know when my next video comes out. Also, feel free to go follow my Instagram. I'll see you on my next adventure.